Hi guys, it's me Shyam Khosla. So today I'm basically going to explain to you why I have gone forward with this idea of the FFEH, or Fight for Every Heartbeat pump. In India itself, there are 45 million cases of confirmed heart disease. 1 out of every 3 heart patients who gets a heart attack dies before reaching the hospital. Why? It's because he's not provided the right aid at the right time. Now, according to me, it does make sense to make a pump, or basically providing medicine to the patient at the right time, at the same instant that he gets the heart attack, to stabilize him and reduce his chance of dying by drastically. I mean, his chance of living will become 80%. Now, you calculate it, 1 out of every 3 patients die before reaching the hospital. That's quite a lot. So I have basically figured out a device on the principle of providing medicine to the patient at the right time and the right medicine, which basically stabilize him before he reaches the hospital. So aspirin, which is basically a blood thinner, it will help the blood flow through. Okay, first let me just explain to you what a heart attack is in layman's language. A heart attack is basically when a cholesterol plaque or a fatty deposit comes into your artery, and because suppose this is the fatty deposit, it got stuck into your artery, the blood cannot flow to your heart, this is a coronary artery, so you have a heart attack. This can also be because of a blood clot. So basically aspirin is a blood thinner which will help the blood, it will thin out the blood completely, so it will help the blood flow through the clot. Okay. Now the other medicine that we'll be taking is a clot buster, it's a clot dissolver, which goes into your blood and dissolves the clot immediately. Not immediately, but somewhat. So it basically stabilizes the patient completely before he reaches the hospital. So that in the hospital, all he has to do is relax. They'll make sure none of the heart attack is going to happen, or if any part of the heart has died, that can happen when it's not provided oxygen. It can happen when any part of the heart is not provided oxygen. It's died. So basically that's what they'll see in the hospital. So this is my device that I have proposed, the FFEH pump, the blueprint. Well, it is a very tough, to design it and stuff, and to make a prototype. But my main aim towards making this device is to provide it to everybody, have a very large audience, because there are 45 million cases of heart attack, like I said, heart disease, like I said, in India. Now, out of these 45 million, not everybody can afford and spend 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees on a pump. I mean, have a look at the insulin pump, a simple insulin pump for a diabetic patient. Any pump today, any insulin pump will cost from 1.5 lakhs to 2.2 lakhs easily, or even more. So it is almost inaccessible for the low middle classes and poor. So basically this pump, the FFEH pump, the first few prototypes will be placed at 10 to 12,000 Indian rupees, and then after that it will be reduced to 5,000 rupees. And basically I want to reach my goal, which is of selling this pump for 1,000 rupees. And this pump will be available to throughout all chemists in India. So not in India, in the world. So anybody can access it at any time. Because the disease of the heart is a very terrific disease. I have lost both my grandparents due to this disease, and I don't want anybody to suffer the fate that they did. Because a heart attack is a killer. It's a silent killer. Sometimes it may cause pain, sometimes it may not, but it's a silent killer. It'll kill you from the inside. And something like this, which can, like I said, reduce the chance of the person dying, really does make sense. Now, you're going to ask me, why does the patient need such a pump? Why can't he be given this medicine, like the aspirin, the clot buster, immediately? So now, not immediately, why can't he just be given? Now, what happens is that a heart attack can happen at any time. I'm cycling, I'm swimming, I'm playing football, I'm talking to somebody, I'm watching a play, I'm watching a show, I'm in the bathroom. I can have a heart attack at any time. It doesn't really matter when, where, or what. It just happens. A heart attack doesn't see any conditions, nothing at all. And the funny part is that a heart attack can happen to anybody at any time. You don't have to be a heart patient. That's the scary part. Now, this device is basically meant for heart patients, for people who have already had heart attacks in the past, and they know that they're prone to having more heart attacks. So this device is meant for them. Now, you can't prevent a heart attack coming to a person who is like me and you, a normal person, because it is like saying, when will I die? When will I get hit by a car? You can't prevent it, can you? You will die, right? So now, like I was saying, why can't this medicine be given to the patient itself? Why do you need a pump for it? Now, like I said, you can have a heart attack at any time. A heart patient can, or even a normal person. Let's talk about heart patients right now. A heart patient can have a heart attack at any time. Now, at this moment, at this instant, when the patient has the heart attack and he is, well, not in control of his body, he's in a lot of pain, he doesn't have access to these medications. Let me be very frank. Unless he's going to have aspirin and a clotbuster tied to it, he's not going to be he won't have access to such medication, especially medications like clotbusters. Nobody keeps these at home. Now, the second thing is that I want to explain to you what do you mean by the golden hour. Now, the golden hour is the hour that is between the person having the heart attack and the person reaching the hospital. This hour is very crucial. In this hour, the decisions that are taken and medication that is given to the patient can change his life. It can either end it or you can save him. So this is the very, very crucial part, and this device, like I said, the FFEH will basically act in the golden hour and provide the right aid, like I said. Now, how does pump function? Well, I'm going to explain that to you in the next video. So like I said, thank you, and check out my next videos after this. I've explained the basic working of this machine and how it works, the mechanism of how it works. So yeah, thank you.